Hey guys, what's up? Today we will talk about Linux. This is an updated version of the previous video. Linux is free and open source. Open source means that the source code can be customized by any developer to create his own operating system. Linux can run on any x86 or x64 based PC. x86 is 32-bit and x64 is 64-bit. The amount of RAM, hard drive space and other specifications required is different for each Linux operating system. Supercomputers, servers, smartphones and PC use Linux. Android is the most popular mobile operating system which is based on Linux kernel. 90% of the world's fastest supercomputers use Linux. 60% of the servers all over the world use Linux. The main reason for using Linux is that the maintenance cost is very less. However, the market share of Linux in the consumer market is just around 5%. This is mainly because it lacks games with deadly graphics, games like Call of Duty, Battlefield, Splinter Cell, etc. Linux also lacks good productivity apps like Photoshop. GIMP is an open source app which can be used as an alternative to Photoshop, but it still lacks some great features. Linux has always been considered to be an operating system which requires command line skills. Yes, this is true for certain tasks. Today, graphical user interface has made it very simple to use Linux, so any layman can use it. Linux comes with number of packages for editing files, compression or decompression of files, etc. Linux kernel is also a package which is nothing but the Linux operating system. The first Linux kernel was developed by Linus Torvalds. There are over 600 Linux distributions. Debian, Gentoo, etc. are some of the popular ones. Many Linux operating systems are built on Debian, Gentoo, etc. Ubuntu, Fedora, etc. are some of the most popular and widely used Linux operating systems. Just like NTFS is used by Windows, Linux uses extended journaled file system like ext4, ext3, etc. It provides faster scanning of files and better security. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. This is the interface which is provided to the user. Users can also work on command line through terminal. Some famous GUI include GNOME, Unity, KDE Plasma and XFCE. Home folder is the main folder in your Linux operating system which contains predefined folders like documents, pictures, downloads, etc. Every Linux distribution comes with basic text editing apps, office applications and basic games like solitaire, chess, etc. Python is the most commonly used programming language for developing apps on Linux. However, C, C++, Java and various other programming languages can also be used to develop applications. Certain Linux distributions come with their own app stores. However, most of the applications can be found in compressed format on the internet. These applications can be installed using terminal. Applications can be uninstalled using terminal, or you can also use the App Store to uninstall the applications you installed from the App Store itself. Yes, you can run Windows applications using Wine, but it is not necessary that the applications will run properly. Terminal is like the command prompt of Windows. It is used to perform SSH, run shell programs, edit files or even run commands, but you need to be well versed with the commands so that you can use them efficiently on the terminal.